I have 1 hour to find someone's password, but the catch is that I can only use publicly available information, and this is all I get. Somewhere in here is his email, location, and even his Wi-Fi network, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, let's see these task files. You've got to be kidding me. How am I supposed to get a password from this? Okay, don't panic. Let's start simple. First question. What's this user's avatar of? Alright, there has to be something hidden in this file. Let's check the metadata. Oh, what? Since when do photos have GPS coordinates? Okay, I might be cooking. Can I get street view over here? Oh, is this where the picture is taken? Oh, for the second question, what city is the person in? Which city is this? Hawaii. No, what? Is Hawaii even a city? How am I supposed to do anything? The reason why I'm even attempting this challenge is because I want to prove to my friend that hacking isn't some special activity reserved only for the elite. Rather, it is so easy to learn that anyone can get started for free at their home. Even CIA agents started somewhere, and that somewhere might as well have been this challenge. But currently 15 minutes have passed and I still haven't answered a single question. In fact, I even got a question wrong. I knew I had to change my approach, and so I got a software named XFTool that reads metadata from files. Oh wow, copyright Overwood Flint? Is this what I'm looking for? Oh, and with this, I was immediately able to find his Twitter where he had a cat profile picture. This allowed me to answer another question. A cat? Submit. Oh, let's go. Finally, one answer correct. Another thing I find out is that for some reason he uploaded his internet MAC address on his Twitter. It's weird, but it's gonna come in use later. This is on GitHub. New social network for. Ooh, London. What city is the person in? Oh, let's go. Oh, wait, I found his email as well. Is this his personal email or his formal email? Never mind, that works. Oh, there's WordPress, New York right now. Oh, what? Hey, this is crazy. Did someone use a satellite to scan for all the Wi-Fis? I was proud of the progress that I was making, and even though I had very little time left, I was fairly confident that I would be able to complete the challenge. Currently, I'm trying to use the MAC address of their Wi-Fi and hopefully look up its SSID, but this is when my luck leaves the chat. Did they vanish? Daily limit? Let's log in. Oh, wait, just send me the verification and I'll verify what's wrong with this. Solve the captcha. This is the fourth captcha that I'm doing today. There's 1 pixel of stair in here, but does it count? Wait, this isn't even a motorcycle. That's a scooter. These are all scooters. That's a bicycle. Another bicycle. Mercifully though, I was able to verify my account and search up the MAC address that I found from his Twitter. I hope all of this was worth it. And then as for the BSS ID, there you go. And then I query, do I find anything? What is this? In London. Oh, this is actually an internet. Unilever Wi-Fi. Unilever Wi-Fi. Before we continue, I would just like to remind you guys to subscribe to the channel and like the video because all my videos are suitable for a general audience and they all have a learning. I only upload a short and meaningful video each day. Anyways, let's see if I got the correct Wi-Fi name. Unilever Wi-Fi. Let's go. Okay. What site did you find his email address on? GitHub submit. Let's go. Where has he gone on holiday? New York. Why did I not enter that earlier? I was surprised at how easily I was able to complete the first 6 questions. But the most important question still remains. So I'm looking for a password. Anything else I don't need? Oh, what is this? What sort of name is this? Could this mean anything? There's a hello world. Ooh, anything in here could be useful, but there's so much jargon in here. I should probably check other places. How am I supposed to find anyone's password from? What am I supposed to do? I actually have no idea. I was starting to lose hope. I had less than 5 minutes remaining and I still hadn't found the password. I felt like I had checked everywhere it could have been. The only places I hadn't checked were the code of the website, which I had noticed earlier but I skipped because looking through it would take too much time. To get a final look at the WordPress website, I signed up and enabled reader mode, and this is what I found. Penny dropper. There's small capitals and characters. Wait, is this the password? If this is not the password, I will lose. But it's not even about the challenge. If I lose, I cannot prove to my friend that anyone can start hacking. If I fail, he's gonna laugh at me for thinking that hacking is accessible. With just 52 seconds remaining, I submitted my final answer. Here is the moment of truth. Let's go! 50 seconds remaining. Oh, I even got a badge. Nice. I was extremely happy that I completed the challenge. Not because of the badge, but because an hour ago, I didn't even know what I was doing. And somehow, by just using publicly available information, I managed to find everything about this person. I found their email, the name of their Wi-Fi, and even their password. Which means that this isn't some secret skill reserved for the elite hackers or the intelligent agencies. It's just about curiosity, patience, and knowing where to look. So yeah, I think I just proved my own point. And if I can do it, then so can you.